How to use pension fund to buy properties. While the statistics concerning the number of property repossessions in 2007 makes shocking reading a report by the University of York outlining the effects upon the thousands of families who have seen their homes become repossessed properties is even more so. The report says that many families suffering from property repossessions were moved to undesirable neighborhoods and experienced shattering lifestyle changes that left them depressed, lacking financial resources and having no social confidence. Last Seconds offers a lifeline to families in these or similar circumstances. We are cash property buyers in the UK who not only buy repossessed properties, we can buy your house for cash before a repossession order or county court judgment becomes a physical reality. In addition, we offer you the opportunity to sell your house and rent it back, saving you the expense, stress and emotional impact of having to move from into somewhere you don't want to. You can sell your house for cash to us and have the deal completed in as little as 7 days. We'll pay the valuation and legal fees and you don't have to worry about finding a buyer. If you want to remain in your home, we can organize a rent-to-buy option and you can buy your house back over a period of time. No moving costs, no family upheaval, and you can remain in the place you feel happiest. We receive thousands of testimonials from families who say that Last Seconds have saved us from disaster. Call us today and take control of your future.